Welcome back to the channel. There's just some stuff that doesn't sit well with me, and I just want to go over it with you guys as my viewers. Again, thanks for liking and subscribing to the channel, but it doesn't make sense that 10-year Treasury yield is trading at this point when we already got confirmation that the market is coming down and it's rolling in our favor. But the fact that the president did not sign any contract, that is something we should be worried about. But before we get into any of that, I just want to point out one thing tomorrow that can either change the scenario of the market and give us totally a negative side, which is at 8:30. CPI will be released, and when this is released tomorrow, again, it can be a positive or a negative catalyst. But I want to focus on 10-year Treasury yield for now. The fact that it was said in the market that things are getting better now. The United States is going to sign a deal with China, and it should be better for our economy, and also allowing the US to start selling their product in China, which this has never happened in never. China has never opened their doors to the United States. We're not welcome over there as a business partner. So they're saying that now Donald Trump is negotiating with them to do so, and it have to be on papers before we can think about anything. But the tariff pause that the United States never issued. It was just speculation and talk about market took it and run into super overbought territory from where we were being oversold. And let me just go over it briefly with you. I don't know what's going on, but I'm getting not so good on my side. Let me just go over it briefly with you what is going on or what was said. You can see that market is generally pulling back right now, but it's still said that market is super overbought. If you can look, that we're not far from the highs that we were trading at previously. And with that said, Nasdaq is about to hit highs again. But at any time tomorrow we can find a pullback catalyst, or tomorrow we can continue to run if market sentiment is good and it's in our favor. So you want to pay attention to that and stay tuned for more. But before we do so, like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. Until then, stay green in the market.